Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a very rare find. It's a 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, finished in this bright blue metallic, which is the original color to this car. It's been repainted one time. Beautiful, beautiful paintwork. No bodywork ever performed on this particular car. It's nice and straight. The trunk is in really, really good condition. I'll share with you. Continuing on the passenger side, just showing you the quality of the paint, which is in excellent condition. Very slick, very smooth. Love it, love it. Engine compartment is very, very detailed. Let's pop this open. The 73, that's from the inside. While we're here, guys, check out this interior. Nice stock interior. Excellent door jambs in and out. Seat belts intact. Speakers. Headliner, dome light, dash, showing 42,000 original miles. Seat belts intact. All the weather stripping is nice on the car. Original door panels as well. Let's check out under the hood really quick. Look how clean this is. Factory V8 350, 4-barrel carb, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Very nicely detailed. Let me pop the trunk. I want you guys to see how clean this is, especially underneath the car as well. Factory quarters, factory GM stampings on both sides, guys, okay? On both vehicles. These are all original sheet metal. Like I said, excellent weather stripping. Very clean and dry underneath here. Solid as a rock. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna fire it up. I want you guys to hear it. Nice and smooth. Sounds great, doesn't it? There you have it. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen there. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. I do have the Protecto plate, original owner's manual, and the pamphlet for it. Okay? Comes with the car along with a clean, clear title. So if you guys need financing, it's not a problem. We offer excellent financing in the classic car field, up to 180-month term, which keeps the payment really low. You can choose your options: 60, 72, 84, 144, 180, whatever you like. If your credit score is between 600 and 740, you will need 10% down for this car to get it financed. For the credit application, for those of you between 600 and 740, go to MGMClassicCars.com, click the Finance tab and fill it out. and one of the loan officers will be getting back to you within 1 business day. For those of you who have a better credit score of, let's say, 750 and higher, we have a little bit better options, up to an 84-month term, unsecured, no money down, no prepayment penalty. Both loans are no prepayment penalties, by the way. But for those of you that have a credit score of 750 and higher, go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. Before you do that, let's make sure this car is still available. If you have your pen handy, text me with your zip code and I'll get you a quote to have this baby delivered right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded to get this to your driveway, insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. If you have that pen handy, I can give you my phone number, and that is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, we don't come across a 73 Chevelle Malibu these days, and especially in this condition. If you've been looking, just pull the trigger, buy the car. Let's go, get it done. We'll get it delivered. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.